Bye-bye to brittle and chipped nails with these easy home remedies. Are your nails constantly chipping and breaking? If yes, then it's time for you to improve your nail health. Most people in India associate nail care by having a manicure or pedicure. Nail care is obviously an integral part of hand and foot care. The nail plate from which the nails grow is several millimeters below the base of the nail and takes about 9 months for a new nail to grow. Nails can indicate your state of health to a great extent. Pale nails with vertical ridges indicate anemia or extreme dryness from using too many detergents. Blue nails point towards an inefficient circulation and not enough oxygen. If your nails are thin and constantly breaking, this may indicate inadequate intake of vitamins, minerals and protein. So internally, what are the things you should be eating to improve the quality of your nails? Calcium, gelatin and vitamin B complex. The intake of vitamin D cures vertical ridges, folic acid and vitamin C cures hangnails and split nails. The former, which are cracks in the skin along the sides of the nails, can be particularly painful. Drink diluted cider vinegar to strengthen them and paint with 2 coats of lemon juice daily to strengthen them externally. Never pull the skin of the hand nails as it can damage the area, only cut carefully and remember to lavishly massage the area with a wheat germ-based cream. Before watching this video, please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get all our video uploads by notification. Symptoms in your nails and its focus. Vertical ridges often reflect a weak digestive system that does not metabolize minerals or proteins well and a deficiency in vitamin B12 and iron. White spots show calcium or zinc deficiency. They often appear after a period of eating sweets, especially refined sugars that deplete minerals out of the body. Bitten nails reflect nervousness, mineral deficiency, or intestinal parasites. Hangnails show a lack of protein, vitamin C and folic acid in the body due to low intake of these nutrients or poor absorption. Brittle nails show low iron or vitamin A, imbalanced thyroid or kidney function and poor circulation. Reddish-purple nails show weakening of the body and general fatigue. Dark red nails show blood stagnation due to eating heavy, salty or fatty foods. Pale nails show poor blood circulation, anemia and low liver and kidney energy. Simple natural solutions for your nail problems. 1. Cuticle Softener. Ingredients: 2 teaspoons fresh pineapple juice, 2 teaspoons papaya, 1 egg yolk, 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar. Method: mash the papaya and mix in the pineapple juice. Beat in the egg yolk and add the cider vinegar and pour into a small bowl. Soak nails in this mix for about half an hour, massaging every now and then. Both these fruits contain an enzyme that helps soften protein tissue. 2. Cream for damaged nails. Ingredients: half a cup of honey, 1 egg yolk, half a cup of castor oil, 1 teaspoon sea salt. Method: beat the ingredients and keep in an airtight jar in the fridge. Rub into the nails daily, leaving overnight or at least for an hour. 3. Cracked and chipped nails. These can be extremely embarrassing, especially when one is fond of applying nail paint. Try the following remedies to keep nails strong and smooth. Warm olive oil massaged thrice a week into the nails helps strengthen them. Never throw away lemon peels after you have squeezed out the juice. Instead, rub into the nails daily. This will help reduce any yellowishness and strengthen them externally. Take 1 teaspoon gelatin daily internally for 2 weeks for strong nails. So now that I've geared you with some very effective natural nail remedies, incorporate them in your daily lives and see your nails transform. We hope this information may helpful to you. Comment below if you like this video. Hit like and share this video with your friends. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.